Alright guys, it's been about a week. This motor's been sitting around in the shop. Carburetor's empty and it's time to see what she's going to do. I got her in a pond here, not far from the house. We're going to put a load on her, see if she's going to run. And as soon as I get the fuel cut on and all, we're going to see what kind of cold start we get out of this thing. Well, let's see what we got. This is cold start, no tuning, been sitting for a week in water. We're going to have a load on it. That's the tube that's on it since I put it in the bucket. That's pretty cool there. Let's see if she'll idle back slow enough to troll for some flounder. Very happy with that. About a mile and a half, maybe 2 miles an hour. That's perfect for trolling for flounder. Let's see if it'll go any slower without shutting down. Oh yeah. Yeah, this boat here with this motor is fixing to be a flounder killing machine. We're going to load this boat up with doormats. You got to excuse me, it's right humid around here. I'm sweating like a daggone turkey in November. Got about 92% humidity. Welcome to South Carolina. Alright, let's open her up and see where she goes. Should have brought a fishing pole. I got bass hitting top water all around me. Don't need to change any tune on it. She's good right where she's at. I'm back at the house. I'm pretty darn happy with the motor. I don't know if you could hear anything while the motor was running. I didn't make any adjustments whatsoever. High speed, low speed, I didn't touch anything. She run like a champ. The tune that I put on it on the carburetor while it was in the bucket, it worked perfectly. That probably won't never happen again, but man, I got a decent enough little motor for the salt flats. for way less than $100, way less. I mean, you pay $2,000 for these little motors new, but why do you need to do that? Just think about what's wrong. Learn something new. Learn how to rebuild something. Save yourself a lot of money, and it also gain you a lot of knowledge. I did crank it down to about a little over half mile an hour. She ran just fine there, but anything below half mile an hour and she wanted to shut down, which I won't be trolling it anything below 1 mile an hour anyway. So, hey, total price of a boat motor, less than $20. Can't beat that. Y'all guys have a good day.